What's up guys, you're welcome back to this channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can create UK TikTok accounts in Nigeria. We all know that you cannot monetize Nigeria TikTok account, so I'm going to be showing you step-by-step guide on how you can create UK accounts without VPN in Nigeria. Okay, so before we dive in, if you are new to this channel, my name is Miracle and I create content on how you can make money online. So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Let's dive in. So to get started to create a UK TikTok account, these are the steps you need to follow. You can see that we have up to 7 steps here. And the first one is to create a new email account. Okay, so to do that, you go to your Chrome browser, you open your Chrome browser and you click on add. So if you are using phone, you can just go ahead on your phone to create a new Gmail account. So if you are using your PC, you click on add, okay, and you click on sign in. It will direct you to this place and you click on create account. So here you select for personal use. You can now supply your name, so you click on next. You will also supply your date of birth, your gender, and you click on next. So you supply your password and you click on next. For now, you can still skip. You can skip this one. You scroll down. You agree with the terms and condition, and boom, your Gmail account is ready. So this is the first thing we are going to be doing. Let us go back to our guide. If you look at our guide, you see that we have done this first one. We have done this second one as well. We have done the second one as well. So the next thing is to visit TikTok. So you need to visit tiktok.com, okay, on that same profile. So let us visit this TikTok on this same profile that you created. So you can see that we are on TikTok. So just click on login. So when you click on login, it will direct you to this place. You need to register with your Gmail, okay? So you click on use phone, email / username. You click this where you will click. Don't click on this one. Don't click on other ones. Just click on this one, okay? So here you can see don't have account, sign up. So you now click on sign up. You click on sign up. Now this is where we are going to. You can see Nigeria. You can see Nigeria here. So if you proceed to create this account, it will automatically create a Nigeria account for you, and that is what we don't want. That is what we don't want. Okay, we want it to be a UK account. So you click on this Nigeria here. You click on Nigeria, and you now select. You search for the country you want to use. So from here you can search for United Kingdom. So you search for United Kingdom and you select United Kingdom, okay, and you click on done. You can see that by continuing with an account you're located, this place has changed to United Kingdom, as you can see, okay. So now you can now proceed to click on use phone or email. Use phone or email. Now here you select your date of birth. You select your date of birth. We are not using phone number, we are using email. So you click sign up with email. This is where you click now, okay. So you supply your date of birth and you supply all these ones. You paste the email here. You paste the email here. So you put in the password you want to use and you click on send code. Now they have sent the TikTok code. You can see it's 137871. 137871. So you click on this and you click on next. You can see, just make sure that this page is still showing United Kingdom. If it is not showing, that means you have done something wrong and you need to come back. You need to restart the process, okay. Make sure this page is showing United Kingdom. So the next thing is to click on next. So you supply your username and you click on sign up, so it will successfully registered, okay. Now if you click on settings, you will see that your account region is showing United Kingdom. You can see that this account is showing United Kingdom. So don't link your phone number. You don't need to link your phone number. Only the email is okay. If you link your phone number, your account will be directed back to Nigeria account. Okay? So this is how you can create a UK TikTok account without VPN. Without VPN. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. You can see that we have completed all the 7 steps. We have created a new Gmail account. We have signed up. You change Nigeria to UK, supply your details for registration, and you will launch your account. You can now proceed to log in on your phone with the same details that we created. You can proceed to log in with your phone, but do not add your phone number. Do not add your Nigeria phone number.
Alright guys, I believe you have learned one or two things. Make sure you don't link your phone number, and make sure your account is showing United Kingdom when you log in with your mobile device. Okay? So guys, thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye for now.